Jiko Invest app. The pros, the cons. Jiko Invest is a digital platform aimed at simplifying investing while providing real-time financial insights. But how does it hold up? Starting with the pros. First, ease of use. The app allows quick account setup and intuitive navigation, making investing less intimidating. Second, goal-based investing. Users can define objectives, and the app recommends portfolios aligned with their targets. Third, mobile-first analytics. Real-time performance data and alerts help investors stay informed and adjust as needed. Now, the cons. One limitation is limited asset types. Jiko may focus on ETFs and mutual funds, leaving out niche investments or individual stocks. Another drawback is subscription fees for premium features, which could deter casual investors. The surprising truth? Many people delay investing due to complexity. Jiko's user-friendly approach encourages consistent contributions and disciplined growth. In conclusion, the pros: intuitive design, goal-based investing, and real-time analytics make Jiko Invest appealing for beginners. The cons: limited assets and subscription costs indicate experienced investors may require supplementary platforms.